Hello, this is Bongani from Brilliance Tutors, doing accounting grade 12. I've discovered that a lot of learners find a bit of a challenge when it comes to the calculation of directors' fees in the statement of comprehensive income. Let's look at this example. Here we have on the list of balances, we have a balance of 930,150, which is the amount that was paid to the directors who are there. Let us look at the additional information that is given here. It says the company has two directors who earn the same monthly fees. A third director was appointed on 1 November 2024, earns 4,200 rands more per month than the other two directors. He was paid until 31 March 2025. Now, as it is said that the other director earns 4,200 more than the other directors. Let's see for how many months did he get the 4,200. They say he was paid until the 31st of March 2025. Never mind my he or she. I don't know if the director was a male or a female, but then it doesn't make any difference. So the 4,200 times 5 months will give us a total of 21,000. Now, this 21,000 is an amount of money that we need to first subtract from the 930,150. We subtract the 21,000 so that we can be able to figure out how much is the actual monthly salary for each director. Then when we subtract the 21,000 from our calculators, we get 909,150. Now, since they only told us that the new director was paid until the 31st of March 2025, it means he was paid beyond the current financial year, which is actually 12 months. So for the first two directors, they got their salaries for 12 months and they are two in number. That gives us 24 months of salary for a director actually. Now, we have a new director who was only in the company from the 1st of November 2024. Then he's been there from November, December, January, February for 4 months in the current financial year. However, he was also paid for an additional month of March 2025. Now, so the number of months that were paid to the directors is actually 24 plus 4 plus 1 is 29. Then we take this total of 909,150 and divide it by 29 months to find out how much each director is actually entitled to. Then when we divide, we get 31,350. This is the amount that has to be paid to each director per month. Now, calculating the whole amount now, we have to actually account for the 28 months because March is outside of the financial year. Then we take 28 months multiplied by the 31,350 before we add back the increase of the other director who's earning more than the other two directors. Then when we calculate this, we get 877,800. This is how much was supposed to be paid to the directors for the financial year. However, we need to add back the 4,200 extra for the new director who has been with the company for 4 months up to the end of the financial year. Then this gives us 16,800. Then we have to add the 16,800 because it was paid for the current financial year. Then this is how much we have to account for at the end of the financial year: 894,600 rands. then this is the amount that you have to put into your statement of comprehensive income for the year ended 28 February 2025. I hope you understand. You can follow me, follow Brilliance Tutors, and then to learn more about accounting grade 12. Thank you for watching.